Okay, the very first one right under the door I come to, they did put blocks here, and they used metal shims. There you can see the metal shims. There's metal shims under that one. That block doesn't have a footer on it like this one. It's kind of got one. It's broken right up under the brick right there, but it's got one at least. They didn't shim the existing beam, which goes right there, and it's even got a joint right there. Let me move my light. It's got a joint right there, and there's no blocking under it. That right there, that needs blocking under it too. This one down here, there's one that's in the wall, in the footer wall right there. It's coming out. It doesn't have any blocking under it either. This one that does have the blocking under it, well, you can see where it ends. It ends. You can see the end of it right there. So from the wall to there, there's nothing supporting these beams right here, because that's not doing it. I mean, joists, except for this one. This one's supporting it, and then they go up to the sill plating up there in the rim joist. So that's the first one. That to me is not acceptable. It's already leaning. Look how it's leaning. It's not sitting on anything. They didn't pack the dirt down. You can probably dig right out. It's probably loose soil. Look at that. Loose soil. Loose soil. That's not going to hold it. Nope. Nothing there, and it's already cockeyed. All right. Well, where we need to go is way down there. Okay, I'm almost over there. What was that? They did come in and put in some blocks and some pads. But I see several problems with this. One, look under the pad. Big gaps. It's not sitting firmly on firm ground. It's sitting vicariously on stuff. Let's see if I can even move that. I can't move that one. It's just sitting there. Look at this. I can stick my whole hand under there. I can stick my whole hand under that one. That's not acceptable. Plus, right down here, see right, can you see right there? If I move my flashlight away, there's a joint, right there is the joint. See the different colors in the wood? That's a joint. There's not supposed to be any joints. Only joints that there can be is over top of a pier, or the blocks kind of like that one right there, that old one. See how the joint is right there on top of the pier. You won't find these old ones, you won't find them not a joint not on top of the pier. I almost guarantee you will not find a joint that's not on there. Even down there, way down there, there's a joint right there, right on top of that pier. Can't have joints like that. And over here, let's see, they've got this ending right here on top of that. They got it blocked up. What they got down there, they got a piece of wood down there. Well, it doesn't even look like it's holding anything. Nope, it's not. That's just a piece of scrap wood under there. It's not doing anything. Big old gaping holes. That's going to be a big problem right there. If there's any weight, any tonnage put on that right there, that is going to be a big problem. And plus, I wonder if them blocks are filled with concrete. It's hard to tell with them other blocks on top of it. But yeah, there, look under that one. That one, I can stick my whole hand under that. It's not even, There's good. On that corner right there, that corner right there, I guarantee it's 4 or 5 inches off the ground. Maybe not up in here, but right at the corner. And look how it's sitting vicariously. It's protruding out over a ditch or something. Water might have been running through there, I don't know. Oh, look at that one down there. It's way up off the ground too. I don't know if you can see that good through the video, but on both sides, back side and front side. All right, I'm on the other side of that one. No, and look, there's original beam. It's just hanging in there. If that one, the new one went all the way over to this pier here, then it would be all right. Because from there on, it's being supported by the original pier. Beam. But hanging like this, what's supporting this joist? What's supporting that joist? What's supporting that joist? A hanging beam. That's what's supporting it. Because that one there, the new one, ends right there. There's nothing supporting that one, or that one. Same over here. Well, they do have that new one going to that one, block and that block. So they do have those covered. They still got that joist covered with this pier. This pier right here, the only thing that pier right there is holding up is one floor joist. If that beam that they put in is good, they should be able to take that out and be irrelevant if that's holding up. But it doesn't hurt to put it under there for sure. All right. This beam here is solely hanging. It's not doing nothing but adding weight. But they do have a new beam under it that's going from there. But do they have any shims under it? Yes, they do. What about that down there? That beam right up there. Let's see. I don't see anything. I see a block there with going up to a joist. It looks like a past floor repair, which there's still a cutout joist down there. Let's go over there and see. Okay, I come over here and there is still mushy feeling in the bathroom floor right here. Here's where the toilet is. Right here, they got blocks sitting here holding up a piece of rotted wood. Looks like an old patch. Right in here looks like old patches. There's a 2x4. It looks like a 2x4 that used to have sheetrock on it because there's sheetrock now sticking out of it. But the reason the floor still feels mushy in front of the sink where them PEX is going up is because that beam right there ends, the new beam ends right there, and there's nothing holding up the existing beam from there to there. There's nothing there. It's just that beam is actually putting weight on the floor. On these joists, it's putting added weight on the joists. It would actually be better to take that beam out completely because you would get rid of that dead weight. Over here, no. I still don't understand this one. Blocks going up and supporting a rotted floor joist or whatever that is. There's still a floor joist cut out right there. And the beam right there, I guess I guess that floor joist is being supported by the new beam and being nailed into there. That's supporting all that. No, that's not how it works. Big old crack right there. Let's see what's under that. Yeah, you got a piece of plywood wedged under there, right there. Treated or untreated, I'm not going to move it, but it's under there pretty good. As soon as the ground rots that out, there's a big old cavern right under there. Big old crack. Big old crack right there. Look at that. Yeah, I know. Big old crack going right under it. It's probably... There's a big old crack. Right under it. Can you see it? Okay, I'm on the other side of these pillars now. There's a big old cavern under that one. There's this sitting up on top of crumbling. So all there, look at that wood. Just wood. What? Is there wood under there? Not even treated wood. That's old wood. Came out of the house. Big old cavern up under there. Yep. I don't know who they are. But, I don't know how they're not being sued by now. Wood up under that one, not even packed down, nothing. Well, that's just holding up really a piece of rotted wood, so that one doesn't really even matter. Don't need to hold up a piece of rotted wood, supposed to replace it. I wonder just how much he paid for this. I'm gonna turn you off again. Okay, back over here. More caverns underneath. Oh, there's a good one of that one. Look at that. I mean, that's just sitting on a couple of pieces of dry mud is all that's sitting on. Okay, someone might ask why I'm so concerned about this. It's not my house. Well, I'll show you why. Because they want me to replace the subfloor and the tile in here. And when I do, I'll replace the subfloor and I'll put thin set hardy board down, tile backer board, and then I'll tile it. But while it's doing this, hear that? Hear that? That's because it's still open right there. Nothing. The beams are ending, and there's another one coming this way that's not on top of anything, just hanging there. I'm not going to fix a floor and lay tile on it, and the tile start coming up again and doing that right there because of someone else's faulty work. I'm not going to do it. And plus, he gave him a chance. Right now, I'd call the sheriff's department. I'd call the city of Sherman and see what can be done, because let them go under there and inspect it themselves. Because and they're wanting to rent this house out, and I would press charges. I would sue them for every month's rent that they're not going to get because of this. And plus, I charge $250 each time I go in there and inspect it. So I did it twice. There's $500 right there. So, and see, you can look at the floor from here. Look at that. I mean, you can see that floor just dip down. Look at that.